Revamp!
Going to turn this, I don't know, but good for nothing, to corset inspired by Almost on Time.
Shout out to Bhumika Chaudhari for making this possible.
Cut it in between.
Cut the sleeves for the bra cup. If you need a pattern, just grab a bra, then trace it.
For the boning, there are many different types of boning. Actually, there are 15. But we're not going to use them.
The boning, we have this plastic mango cover.
Come on, who doesn't love mango?
Damn, that was satisfying. Measure is 0.4 inches. Then cut it.
Then we have the not so expensive boning.
This is for the mama. And another two. Kasi two.
For the ribbon to fasten the bra, just cut it from the excess fabric. Flip it inside out.
Then attach it to the bra cup.
Stitch the cap in its middle to give us the shape. You know what I mean? The shape. Insert the foam, then stitch the end.
Stitch it to insert the boning. To make it stronger, insert 2.
We need to stitch all the edge to insert the bone. After all the boning, just stitch the bra on its corset.
This thing is a little bit difficult. It needs a little patience.
If you like this video, we have a playlist here.
Yes, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon.